Hi Capricorn, this is your girl, the Pixie Goddess Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. The energies over here are from the 14th of June till the 20th of June. So let's get started, Capricorn. If you hear occasional barks, those are my beloved dogs outside. They must have heard something. She's an adorable Rottweiler. Okay, Capricorn, you've got the Unknown card, the Three of Swords, Justice. Some of you could be dealing with a Virgo. The King of Swords, okay? The card at the bottom of the deck is the Reconciliation card, the Three of Cups. If it was blur, I'll put it here. Okay, it's shining, right? I'm sorry. Okay, Capricorn. Oh God, okay. You know there is something wrong, right? You know the relationship that you are in or were in, there was something wrong with it. There was something that the person was hiding from you. There was something that they were keeping a secret from you, and they were ruthless. They are ruthless for some of you, and it's just something that has pained you so much, hurt you to another level, that it's very difficult for you to see a future with anyone else now, because you are doubting everything. You doubt the very idea of love. Some of you are going through this pain, some of you have gotten out of this pain, okay? Because it's a general reading, so I'm going to keep all the possibilities alive over here. So yeah, but don't worry, justice will be served. If you were in a marriage with a person like this and a divorce is on the cards, and you guys are in court because of it, the verdict will be in your favor. If you were hurt, if you were wronged by any chance, if you were let down for no fault of yours, guys, have nothing to worry about. You guys need to just have faith that the verdict is going to be in your favor. A Libra person could be important to you right now, Capricorn. You've been getting these painful readings for a while now, Capricorn. I just hope you guys feel better soon. Lot of regret. Capricorn, see, times are difficult. People hurt us. They hurt us because they are victims of ignorance. They don't know how their actions can affect other people. They are really ignorant, okay? But you don't have to keep paying attention to the pain. Learn the lesson. Remember the event. Remember the lesson. Remember the lesson. Do not remember the event. Try and let go of what led you to the lesson, okay? Look at the bigger picture. Things are becoming better. You know, the darkest hour is right before dawn. So if this is the darkest hour, just know that the next time you open your eyes, you'll see the brightest sunshine. You don't want to reconcile with this person. For some of you, Capricorn, if this was a recent event that took place and now you're in a different space altogether, this person wants to come back. They feel regretful about their actions and they want to reconcile. They want an amicable end to all this. But Capricorn, for some good reason, I feel you are not going to give in. And why should you? Look at you. This is your power, Capricorn. These are your energies. You are the queen. You are the person who is passionately living for her dreams, Capricorn. And this does not mean that this is only for women or girls. It's a gender specific, not a gender specific reading. So just it's for everyone who's watching this reading, and whenever they tune into this reading, that is when they're supposed to hear this. Okay, Capricorn, just have patience. Your ships are arriving. Just have patience. You are the magician of your life. You are the alchemist of your happiness. You can turn these dark times into the most happiest ones because you are capable, Capricorn. Never doubt that. No matter how people treat us, we should never doubt the value with which we were born, with which God chose us to be born on this planet. The Hierophant, the Tower, okay, and amazing, great. You've got the Six of Swords, and you have the Queen of Pentacles at the bottom of this tiny deck. Guys, the time was wrong, people wronged you, people let you down. It was a soul crushing event. It was as if the ground beneath your feet was just cracked open and you fell under it. You fell into that pit which seemed never ending, but now you've hit rock bottom and now you can only rise up. You're moving from horrible choppy waters to calmer waters, to a better peaceful time. All the turmoils that took place in your mental space are out. Your emotions will be guarded, yes, but you will be happy. You will be at peace. And more than happiness, you will be at peace with yourself and your surroundings. Just have faith. Justice will be done. Never forget that. Capricorn. Dear angels, please guide my Capricorn friends. Bring love into the situation. Have faith in your dreams. An Aquarius person could be important. Look at the bigger picture. A Sagittarius could be important. Emotions are running high. Absolutely. It's time to take action. Aries could be an important sign to you right now. And conclusions are within reach, guys. Amazing. As I mentioned, whatever you've been failing at, whatever you've been going through, you are going to succeed. Just rest assured, okay? One affirmative card. There is a stream of love supporting my dreams. There are two cards about dreams and about bringing love into the situation. You don't have to love the person. The universe has your back. You don't have to love the person who's hurt you. You need to love the person who's hurt, which is you, Capricorn. So just love yourself. Do things that bring you back to your element. Meditate. Indulge in your hobbies. Make peace with yourself, guys. Because right now you need to be strong and you need to be your own biggest supporter, Capricorn. I will request my little rose quartz angel to bless you and give you all the love and secure your heart chakra so that you feel love and you feel safe, Capricorn. If this reading resonated with you, please like, share, subscribe, guys. It really means the world to me. Thank you so much for being here and loving me so much. Bye, guys.